come down to where the night street food market is at sunset. The sellers set up their little stalls with their propane cookers and tables and loads of different things to eat. Few famous Zanzibar delicacies that we want to try.
So let's get straight into it. I'm going to eat some food. So it's an after dark street food food court. Sets up after dark every night of the week. Particularly busy on a Friday and Saturday. First on the menu we have some sweet corn.
Flavor you like? Spicy chili, honey butter, lemon pepper, crispy corn, garlic butter mixed one. You cannot find it anywhere, only here.
Lemon pepper, please.
Lemon pepper.
Just a small.
Small one. Yes, karibuni sana. You cannot find it anywhere, only here. Salt a little bit. We have paprika. This one is called chaat masala. And then finally I have black pepper. Additionally with butter, this water and lime. You like chili? No.
Little.
A little bit.
Thank you.
So now it's ready to mix it up. And you are waiting for your very delicious food. You cannot find anywhere, only here at Zanzibar. My corn is organic corn. You cannot find it anywhere, only here. And it's original from the tree. So when you eat, you get organic corn. Oh, I like it. You know, sometimes you prepare the food you wish to eat by yourself. Here we go. Very good. How is it?
Very good, thank you. One of my favourite street food snacks wherever we are in the world. This isn't on the cob though, this is done for you ready, and you could choose between different flavours. So I've got lemon pepper, so let's give it a try. That is spicy. Jeez. But good sweet corn as always.
The sweet corn's not one of my favourite things, but we've got some here. Lemon and pepper, I think. Let's give it a try. It's spicy. Small one this size, 3,000 Tanzanian shillings. Which works out about $1. Bargain. Fresh cooked sweet corn at Forodhani Gardens.
Hey, Mr. Big Camera.
Hi, brother.
How are you, my friend?
Surviving.
Okay.
Good enough. So next on the Ultimate Zanzibar Street Food Tour is Urojo soup. It's also known as Zanzibar mix. It's a bowl of tangy, sour soup made from flour, full of crispy bhajias, pakoras and fried mashed potato balls. Topped with coconut chutney, boiled egg, a dash of chilli and a scoop of cassava shavings. Also got boiled egg in there and some little bit of salad on the top. Give it a try. Mashed potato balls, really nice. So, crispy bhaji. Really nice actually. Very filling, I imagine. Saba. Tangy sour soup. Delicious. 2,000 Tanzanian shillings. 70 pence. Or maybe just under $1. Absolute bargain.
First dish is mishkaki, which are grilled meat skewers. I think these are beef, and we've got them on some deep fried chips with salad and loads of different sauce on. From a try. Chip first. Salty, a little bit spicy, sweet sauce. Let's give the meat a try. You can taste the barbecue on that. A little bit fatty, really good. I think there's some tamarind sauce on there as well, which makes them quite sweet.
First problem here is there are just so many people trying to sell you everything. Even they're walking around, buy some spices, come to my stall, just slightly infuriating. This guy just been back twice. Chips are very good though. I'm going to try some of these fries, first of all. Try some of these fries first of all. Very nice. Put some deep fried at the back. Very nice. Mishkaki skewer. It's no longer a skewer. Beef. Grilled, smoky. Tasty, a little bit chewy. Very nice. Try another one. Also got some coleslaw and a salad. Soaked in the chili sauce, also very nice. Total cost for the full plate, 4,000 Tanzania shillings, which works out at just over £1 or around $1.50. Enough for 2 people. Very tasty.
Is some sugarcane juice. They are hand squeezing it or rolling it through a roller to get the juice out of the sugarcane. I've never tried it before, so let's give that a go. The sugarcane gets passed through the roller 2 or 3 times until it's completely flat. Let's give this a try. Oh, that's really good. It's sweet, it's refreshing. Tastes a little bit gingery almost too. That was 1,000 shilling or around 30p for 1 cup.
Freshly squeezed sugarcane juice, presses it through the thing. The roller puts some ice, some chopped ice on, strains it through a strainer, puts it into a little cup. Ooh, that is nice. This is refreshing, it's cold, humid here tonight. Need a cool drink for 30 pence, 1,000 shilling. And got some ginger in there, like Lucy said also. Very nice.
Is that chicken?
Yeah, shawarma is up. 2,500. 2,000. Hello. Yeah, Mr. Tattoo. Mr. Tattoo, how are you? You are welcome. Please chicken shawarma Alibaba. Here's the best and number 1. 2,500 price. Only chicken, my friend. Hakuna matata. Yeah.
Next up is Zanzibar pizza.
A must-eat street food item when you come to Zanzibar is the famous Zanzibar pizza. The guy looks like he knows what he's doing. Lucy's got the menu.
There are about 20 different options on here. A traditional one, which I think is maybe meat and veg and an egg in there on a roti that's made into then a little wrap on the grill, which is the pizza, or they do sweet ones like Nutella, banana and Nutella. Nutella pizza, please. Yes, please. And then we've got some ketchup on and some spicy sauce as well. This was 5,000. It's burning my fingers. It's so hot off that griddle. Right, let's give this a try. Some spicy mince in there, some vegetables. The sauce is good. That's really, really nice. It's really spicy.
Famous Zanzibar pizza. We just bought one at 5,000 Tanzanian shillings. Okay, Zanzibar pizza. Famous around the world. That's what it looks like. Let's give it a try. Hot. Spicy. Meaty. Vegging down some onions, I think. Very nice.
The market opens at around sunset, so 6-ish. It's supposed to be open till around midnight, but it's currently about an hour or so before that, and a lot of stalls are starting to pack up. So just bear that in mind when you are coming down here.
One other thing to bear in mind, we've just seen a few of the stalls packing the stuff up from today, rolling it into foil and paper, obviously to cook again tomorrow. So a little bit of advice, if you want any meat products, fish products, get them cooked fresh off the grill.
Yeah.
That's the best way.
Not reheated at all, because that will make you not very well.
But overall, Forodhani Gardens, very nice, lots of different dishes, street foods.
Lots of options, and you can see the food has come from all of the influences into Zanzibar. But the Zanzibar pizza for me is a definite highlight. You've really got to try that.
Yeah, one not to miss. The same as our next video. We'll leave a link to all the food we ate in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.
See you soon.
Bye.